Freak Chef Classic. So, I got some fucking hanger steak from Monmouth Valley Meat Farm. So, working on getting that defrosted down. And, Save a Lot video. I got some fajita seasoning, some lime juice. I had some olive oil with me, and of course, soy sauce packets. So I'm going to marinate this hanger steak in that stuff. And we're going to see how it turns out on the fucking grill. Fuck yeah. Let's see how this works. So let's tear into this. We'll start with our hanger steak and a fucking pocket knife. It is what it is. Get that washed off. So washing the things off too. Let's take their gloves off. Fuck it. And it just fits in the container. Oh yeah. Alright, let's get some of our very interesting hanger steak, honestly. I don't know. This hanger steak doesn't quite look like hanger, but let's see how it performs. Never used this place before. Citrus. Just got a ton in the bottom there. Fuck yeah. Get our uh-oh, my little tabby thing that I had in there fell out. Oil. Next thing is some oil. Pack of fajita seasoning. Yeah. I don't think we'll need the soy sauce. I think I will just throw this on this and just let it do its thing. I think there's probably enough salt in here. Oh, wow. Oh my god. Yeah. I think that with the lemon, or the lime juice, I think that'll be enough. So I don't think we're even going to use the soy sauce packets. We're going to move them off somewhere else. And maybe just for the purpose of getting this coated and seasoned right. I get it kind of... There we go. Oh yeah. All that fajita seasoning on that other side. Oh, yeah. We're just going to press it down into this little container here. Maybe that way. There we go. Yeah, that's working now. There it is. It doesn't like this container that much. I think just from the sun and the heat. But we're going to put this in the fridge. And we don't want it to contaminate anything in there. So I'm just going to use the bag. Right in. Bottom shelf, of course. Do a little cleanup. And the meat has to marinate for, I would say, at least 2 to 3 hours. But the longer the better. Especially let that acid and all that start breaking down, and all that seasoning from the fajita seasoning start going really well. Let's see how this actually plays out. I'm going to put this stuff away, but I think the best place to actually go for a few hours while you're waiting for meat to marinate at your hotel is hang out at the Rocks Glass. Fuck yeah, let's go inside, guys. I never use the front door now. It's better to walk over all the rocks, fucking my feet up and shit. Okay guys, so here we go. hotel hanger steak. So I'm very excited. We were originally supposed to cook this last night, but we're doing it tonight because I went to the Rocks class and I really wasn't that hungry, and it was pouring rain, so I figured why not let it marinate a little longer than usual and see how it turns out. So here we go. We're going to start with our hanger steak that has been marinating in our little hotel refrigerator. Now, we originally did this with the fajita seasoning and all that, so we're going to make sure it is pretty temperature-wise. A little gloves on. Make sure this is, oh yeah, that's perfect. We turned it into marinade earlier today, so I'm very excited about. Check that out, everyone. This is a good ass fucking piece of meat. Oh, it smells amazing. Okay, so next we're gonna get the grill fired up and get that ready to go. Get rid of my dirty glove. So, take some foil, and we're going to take our steak. Fuck yeah. I normally don't do this on foil, I normally do it on the grill, but I didn't feel like wrapping the catch tray for the grill in the foil and stuff, so we're going to do a slightly different way than I'm normally used to doing it, and I'm thinking that maybe it'll keep all these juices and shit the way they're supposed to be on the meat. We're just trying something different, guys. It's hotel down and dirty road cooking, fuck yeah. But we want to make sure that we don't let the foil close over the top of it. It's making like a nice little boat, little vessel, a vessel for the meat and shit. And I'm thinking like we'll just let it cook like that with all this marinade and everything in it. And of course, we'll do our dishes here in a little bit. Oh my shit. This is gonna be fucking awesome as fuck. Like a little foil vessel of shit that I'm like gonna cook this meat in. Not the way I typically do it, but we're in a hotel and it's all about fuck around and find out. Oh my shit. Let's go to the grill. Close this down. Okay. So we're gonna check on this in about 5 minutes and see how it's coming along. And we may need to pull the heat down, but it's like 48 degrees outside. Fucking sucks. And I'm wearing shorts. Oh wait, no. Biggest elephant in the room. I'm barefoot and shirtless too. But fuck. It smells amazing. It looks amazing. It's like doing so good in that fucking... Oh, so tender. We're gonna give it a nice little flip. Get it over like that. And again, I'm doing this in foil with all that juice and marinade in it. So this is gonna be fucking amazing. Fuck yeah. Our fucking steak pretty much done. A lot of that juice evaporated and everything, which is awesome as fuck. Because I had to throw that on here. Take fucking gas. And then bring it inside as fuck. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. We're gonna let that cool down before we bring it in and get our meat. Look at that delicious hanger steak. Oh my god, it's so tender as fuck. But fuck my shit. We're just trying whatever we can. We're staying in a hotel. So, hotel road food, freak chef style, fuck yeah. So, yeah, we're gonna cut into this here in a second. We're gonna let it rest though. It's resting. We gotta shut the camera off so we don't disturb it. Because it's fucking resting. It's steak. We gotta let it rest. And everything worked right. It shouldn't even be stuck to the foil. Here's our moment of truth. Look at that, right up. Oh, it's so juicy. Look at that. Look at the juiciness. There's pretty much all kinds of meat. There's not much coming off the foil. That's a good thing. Hell yeah. I'm going to put this in our takeout tonight garbage because there's 3 different garbages that we run here. And now the moment of truth. Let's cut into this. This was about this big when we first started. Thinking it may have got a little overdone, but I just cut a nice little. This is typically not the way I'd slice a hanger steak up. But I just want a nice little wedge from here somewhere. Oh yeah. Oh baby, that's delicious. It's feeling good. Okay, so it got a little overdone, but I'm gonna tell you, let's see what the flavor's about, because my biggest thing is just when overdone. Oh my god. Holy shit. Okay. Hey. That fajita seasoning he's got in the package with some lime juice and some olive oil. Holy shit. That's like the best impromptu road food thing I've ever done. Wow. Steak is really fresh too. This is the steak that I got from Monmouth Valley Farms. Monmouth Valley, the cattle farm up there, or down the road, or up the road, or whatever. But man, wow. Okay, first of all, their meat is amazing, even without all the seasoning. Even with this seasoning that I put on it, and it was like, I can't believe I took like Farm to Fresh and just added a packet of fajita seasoning and some pre-bottled lime juice concentrate, whatever, from the store yesterday. The cumulative event actually turned into something really cool. Okay, guys. I think I'm going to add a recipe like this in my cookbook because it's so simple. I truly believe that if you know what to do with a cut of meat, this could literally be like a 15-minute recipe and not a big ordeal in a hotel room. That's just sometimes complicated. But anyway, this is actually really good. Well, guys, I'm Team Freak the Freak Chef. Hope you love my little new hotel cooking adventure while I'm on the road. Make sure you check out my freak show when I'm in town to watch me grind my feet in glass, burn them up, walk on swords, barbed wire, hang a bunch of shit off my nipples, you name it. And also check out some of my other cooking videos. And yeah,
PainFreakOfficial.com is the website to find it all. So make sure you explore and dive into that. Love you guys.